Wood exposed to the elements won't last long, and this handrailing's taken a bit of a battering. Now I could replace it, but a bit of timber this long would be pretty expensive. And I reckon there's a bit of life left in this one yet. Now first thing, let's have a look at this corner. Now to get this looking like new, I'm going to clean it out, fill it with some construction adhesive and pull it together with a 75mm galvanised screw. Using construction adhesive in a caulking gun, I'm going to fill the miter joint and pull it together. Now, when you pull the joint together, you might have some excess adhesive come up. So just scrape it out of the way, and then we can get busy cleaning up the rest of the rail. I'm going to scrape off the loose flakes and then I can get stuck into it with the belt sander. Where the surface of the rail is split, I'm going to fill it with builder's bog, which will protect it for a very long time. Now the bog's dry, I'm ready to go over it with an orbital sander, fine grit paper, just smooth it off, all ready for painting. When painting bare and weathered timber, it's important to prime the wood before you paint it. Here I'm using a 3-in-1 sealer, primer and undercoat that's water-based. It dries fast so I can put the top coat on quicker. Because I used a water-based base coat, I'm going to use a water-based top coat. And because we're outside, I'm going to use an exterior paint and I'm going to apply 2 coats. With a little bit of time and effort, we've got a hand railing that'll last a few more years. I'm Chris from Handyman Magazine Hints and Tips. Job done.